benefit of DMZ. What are the benefit of DMZ? Okay, so if you look at this system, external user, they can access firewall router, okay, and they can access the server here. The perimeter benefit of the primary benefit of the DMZ is that it offers user from the public internet access to certain services offered by the private network, while still maintaining the buffer between those user and the private network. These are the internal networks, internal user, okay, and you can see this is a server, web server, which is accessible by the external user. So this server is totally isolated from the internal DMZ and external. The security benefit of the sys buffering buffer manifest is a several way, including access control for organization. Okay, security benefit. What are the security benefit if we create this kind of buffer zone? Access control for organization, prevent attacks from performing performing network reconnaissance. For example, nobody can ping sweep internally. If somebody just access this server, if he launch any ping sweep, he does not know the IP addresses or vulnerability or operating system inside in the internal network. Okay, and protecting against the IP spoofing. Remember spoofing attack we explained yesterday? Okay, so you can also protect the IP spoofing as well. Okay, so these are the benefit of DMZ.